Today we are diving into the world of Malaysian cuisine to explore the flavors of currymee. This is a favorite Malaysian dish that combines Chinese and Indian culinary influences. With noodles immersed in delicious curry-like soup, various toppings are added to create a fusion of flavors that makes it unique and irresistible. Making this dish is not difficult. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First up, we will prepare the curry paste. This is basically slicing some ingredients, throwing them into a blender and grinding to a fine paste. Let's cut some dried chilies. I'm using Kashmiri dried chilies that are less spicy. You can use 3 to 6 pieces or more dried chilies. I'm using only 3 as I prefer a milder version. Pour hot water and soak the chilies until soft, usually about 30 minutes. Next, we will slice onions. Use 1 to 2 big onions or about 8 shallots. Then slice 4 cloves garlic, some fresh turmeric, ginger, galangal, and lemongrass. Just cut them roughly as we are going to grind or blend them later. Place all the ingredients in a blender and add about 1 cup water. Also add 1 teaspoon roasted coriander seeds and add 3 pieces candle nuts, not shown here. Now we will add a very important ingredient, plant-based shrimp paste. This is a vegetarian version that gives a special taste to cooking. You can skip it if it is not available at your place. We will use about 1 teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Later you can adjust as needed. Now add 2 tablespoons curry powder. Add the pre-soaked dried chilies. Now we can grind or blend all the spices to a fine curry paste. Next, we will prepare the soup base for our noodles. Cut 2 pieces of tofu into small pieces. Heat up about 1/4 cup of oil and fry the tofu pieces until golden on both sides. Remove from the pan and drain on kitchen towels. Now pour the prepared curry paste into the same oil. You may add more oil if necessary. Stir the paste and allow to simmer on low heat until the oil surfaces, usually taking 10 to 15 minutes. You can cook this curry paste ahead and refrigerate it for up to a week. So you will have the paste ready anytime you feel like cooking curry mee. It is also possible to freeze the paste for up to 2 months. Now we can add coconut milk, about 400 ml, and an equal amount of water from rinsing the can. Stir the curry. It has become very creamy. Now we will add knotted pandan leaves and curry leaves for more aroma. We will also add the pre-fried tofu and tofu puffs. Tofu puffs are important in this dish. You can also add tofu sheets. I don't have any today, so I am skipping it. Add some vegetarian stock powder to give the extra to your soup. Simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes for the curry to cook and become more flavorful. Now that the soup base is ready, let's move to the star of the show, the noodles. In currymee, we typically use a combination of thin rice vermicelli and yellow wheat noodles. Today I'm using quinoa noodles for a healthier option. You may use any type of noodles as preferred. Blanch or boil the noodles in hot water according to the instructions on the packet. For these quinoa noodles, the instruction is to boil for 5 minutes. The noodles are cooked and can be removed from the pan. Let's also blanch the other toppings. First, bean sprouts. Blanch for 1 to 2 minutes. Then ladies' fingers and long beans. Blanch for 1 to 2 minutes. You can add brinjals if you have some. Alright, now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to assemble and serve our amazing aromatic currymee. In a serving bowl, add a generous portion of pre-cooked noodles. Arrange the vegetables. Now pour the fragrant curry soup over the noodles, ensuring that every strand is coated with that luscious, flavorful soup. For an extra kick, you can add some cut calamansi limes. Let's garnish our currymee with some fresh ingredients. Arrange some julienne cucumber pieces and some mint leaves. And our delicious currymee is ready to be served. The combination of the aromatic curry and flavorful noodles will transport your culinary experience to another level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified whenever we upload new and exciting recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.